Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to run through the alerts log over here on the right, and we're going to check out how these are stacking up. We'll just start from the top and work our way down. The most recent alert that fired was this guy on the CAD Swissy. This is what we're looking for. If you have a look at my previous 2 or 3 videos, I go into detail about these alerts and how to trade them. So let's have a look at the Euro CAD. So what have we got? We've got 5 signals already, 5 out of 5. I mean, honestly, which one of these would you not want to take? CAD Swissy we've seen, Aussie dollar. Okay, we've got one here that fell over. 6, 7, okay, 7 out of 8. Euro dollar down here. So we're just working from the top down. 9 out of 10. A couple more. Here's where this gets interesting. I generally close my position at 1-to-1. The other option is to close 65% or 70% and let the rest run. And you can use the signals to close. So let's say you opened here, take partial profits at 1-to-1. There's your signal to exit. And then we've got another trade from here. Short-lived, but still profitable. CAD Swissy we've already looked at. Euro CAD we looked at. Aussie dollar we looked at. Euro yen. Okay, there's another one. This one, short-lived, but was this profitable? Let's have a look. Where the dot is, we look left if we don't see a cloud above, because the cloud's going to give us our stop loss. We look left and then we measure, well, we can take this here. We measure the cloud width, height, and then that becomes our stop loss. We're going to enter around the mid level of the wick where the dot is. If that's our stop loss, well, I mean, this one's still running if we're looking for a 1-to-1. Let's have a look back. All right, there's one. Honestly, guys, so far, is it a 9 out of 10 or a 10 out of 11? We're looking at a 90% win rate. We can take this one step further when we include a bit of technical analysis. For example, if this is traded into, let's say, a 4-hour order block, for example, or a key support level, and we see a green dot alert firing here, it's an easy decision to make, especially if the 4-hour or the higher time frame is trading in our favor. So if the higher time frame's bullish, what we're looking for is the dot when the market retraces down into a support level. I have a whole series of tutorials on this strategy from beginner to advanced. So here's my invite. Jump on board, join our Telegram group. I'm posting my trades in real time into our Telegram. Just quickly, VIP, let's just scroll up, have a look. Okay, these are the trade signals that go in. Kind of thing that I'm offering is my entry, stop loss, TP levels, everything. So with that, guys, I look forward to seeing you in Telegram. I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.